It starts as a simple seed in the soil and ends as part of a global empire worth hundreds of billions of... This is Next-Gen Process. Today, we are stepping inside the cigarette factory to see how advanced technology and automation...
The journey begins in the field, but this isn't old-school farming. Skilled workers and automated machines plant tobacco seeds with microscopic precision.
Nature does the heavy lifting for months, nurturing these plants until they are ripe, robust, and ready for the harvest. Once harvested, the leaves undergo curing. This is where the chemistry happens. Drying sheds and controlled heat turn the green leaves.
The dried leaves are moved to the processing plant. Here, the stems are removed, and the leaves are moisturized and sliced.
This is the blend. Different types of tobacco are mixed according to strict recipes to ensure that every single puff tastes exactly the same.
Now, we enter the heart of the beast, the making room. These machines are marvels of modern engineering,
It happens faster than the eye can see. A continuous roll of cigarette paper is fed into the machine. Tobacco is showered onto the paper.
A spinning knife head, synchronized to the microsecond, slices the rod into individual segments.
Simultaneously, the filters are produced and attached. Lasers and cameras inspect every single unit. If a cigarette is even a millimeter off,
The finished cigarettes race to the packers. Here, foil is added to preserve freshness, the box is folded, and the plastic...
Why is this a billion-dollar industry? It's the economies of scale. Massive global demand meets hyper-efficient production.
Despite health regulations and public scrutiny, the industry innovates and adapts. It is a masterclass in from a seed in the dirt to a vacuum-sealed pack in your hand. That is the engineering marvel behind the tobacco industry.